Alright guys, so right now we were outside. Look at my baby rocking that merch. Turn around, look, rocking that merch, looking good. Got the bike out. So we're about to go pick White up. And yeah, that's it. Well, we go pick White up and then we're gonna go do what we did last night, but 100 times better. And then tomorrow is gonna be even more better. Just stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, a little recap right now, or whatever this is. We're in the hood right now. We're trying to teach White how to wheelie. Come on, White, show him what you got, White. Oh shit! Get it, White! Get it, White, come on! Slow down! On first, go to first, go to first. Go to first. Alright, now hit the gas, hold the gas in. White, stop being a bitch! He's being a bitch, guys. Come on, hit the leg, go, go, hurry up, hit the leg, hit the leg, hit the leg, hit the leg. Come on, let's go! Woo! Stop bitching! Yo, guys, he's bitching, guys. Yo, he's been riding for years. I don't know what he's talking about. He's bitching. Why you setting up like you're about to wheelie, but you're really not? Kick started. Oh shit! We're better with the pack now, and we're not really doing that. We just riding around with the legal shit. Yo, you really suck at this kind of thing, bro. You really like suck. It like hurts, like it hurts to say you've been my friend for this many years and you suck at William. Alright guys, I think it's just time for him to say that he's not my friend no more. Cause he just sucks. Fuck you, nigga. How about that? Such a dick. I already did. I know you did. I'm out. I forgot. That joint a Hoagie Plus. That joint a Supreme. Hey yo, White! White know what I mean. Inside joke. That shit is a fucking hoagie, that's why. That's the problem, that shit a hoagie, right? Boogie, that shit a hoagie, ain't no joke, bro, that shit a hoagie.
Boogie was saying some wrong shit, that's why I gave you your bike early, because Boogie was talking shit.
No, I was talking mad shit. I was talking mad shit, wasn't I?
No, he apologized on the vlog, and he was being ungrateful.
Was I wrong?
What?
For telling her the truth?
Alright guys, my fucking GoPro just ran out of footage. I had to delete some footage from yesterday. So, fuck man, and, you know, we was bullying. Had my baby girl, we was out here. But, my camera off, blurry, hold up.
I thought that shit was polo.
There we go.
Well, we getting old, that's why we don't trick like that no more. We done did that shit.
We super early guys, like super early to the races. But, you know, when we get back, we'll be popping. But we're gonna chill right here. I think we're gonna, I don't know if we're gonna rest again or not, but we just gonna chill and relax and talk shit. Do it again, do it again, do it again.
You're gonna put it in the vlog.
Oh, shit. Spicing him right up.
That shit fall hard as shit.
Hey, combos today. Yo, you only got one scrape for the vlog? One scrape? You disrespectful. Let me get another one.
That shit was like, go.
Let me get another one. Let me get one more. Show off. Let me get a show off. Come on, one more show off.
Take your hand off.
Take your hand off. Take the brake hand off. There's no need for this sock. Oh, Zach with the zoomer light. Oh!
Slow it up.
Give me a nice turn and then pick it back up. And you know, I'm a director, bro. This is what I do, homie. That's it.
I'm so good all week.
And a super large lemonade.
We got you, bro.
Bro, we got you, bro. Look, your stomach is disappearing and shit.
Large sizes right now.
You don't have large sizes?
No.
Nah, we're just fucking with you. With the lemonade, we need what size you want the lemonade? She said she don't got large? Medium.
The next biggest thing.
The next biggest thing.
Okay, so we have 2 raspberries, luscious, 1 12-piece honey barbecue, and 1 lemonade.
Yeah, medium. And a chicken club.
Babe, you want something to eat?
Meal. The meal. With a Pepsi.
That nigga's fat as shit. We still sitting here, guys. It's like 2 hours later, and we're still here. They are.
We hate it.
Oh, rookie! You on a 4-wheeler today? You switching it up? You switching it up? Yo, Alex, can you get us to leave? Can you get us to leave? And we've been here for like 2 hours, dog. Where?
I'm on the highway though. I'm on the highway.
Part two?
We vlogging.
We vlogging, you already know. Yo, can we ride? I've been trying to ride for like 2 hours. We out now? Yo, bro, chillin'. Guys, like, get out here. Close that up.
vloggers do this for y'all. You see this? I'm a fucking true vlogger. I'm not even paying attention to the road. Nigga, don't kill us. Shut up, bitch. And then look, you got the Hockey Wells Fargo. Xfinity line. Just made it back to the races. It's like 1,000 times more popping, guys. As you already know. I've been looking for you too, dog. What's up, baby? You good?
I'm like, where the fuck you catch?
I was riding.
Hey, nigga. Y'all riding out here tomorrow? I'm gonna text you this twin.
Yeah, text me, bro. Hey, yo, Bobby! 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 Cut that shit out, Yo, Bubba. Chillin'. Yeah, what's up? Chillin'. This shit lit, bro. Jeez.
Nigga, you can't get in and out of nothing.
Nigga, when I get out, I'm jumping over the barricade and going that way.
Yo, Bird, you gotta let us get on that, yo. Hey, come here,
What's up, bro? You had to really fight your way through that shit. That shit is so live, guys. My GoPro is about to die. Of course, I didn't bring my battery. Like a dickhead. It's cool. Yo, what's up, baby? You good? Chillin'. What? You didn't bring it? I don't know, but we about to get out of here anyway. Jordan's pretty tired. Guys, I'm out the shower. I'm extremely tired. Man, I don't even know what to say today. It was a good day. It was wild. The races were lit, guys. Like I told you guys, that's every weekend. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday we lit, bro. So you need to stay tuned for sure, guys. I'm sorry. So before I start saying all this dumb shit, I'm just gonna get off of here. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Stop right now, go subscribe and like this video. If you did like this video, please smash that thumbs up button. I'm just saying shit all around. Bye.
Yo, what's up, guys? Right now I'm showing you the merchandise. You can catch anyone on sale right now for $20 on my Instagram page. Right there, you will see it right in the middle. Hope you guys did enjoy it.